nonverbal communication and semiosis. So proxemics is one of the features of nonverbal communication. It is the study of human use of space and the effects that population density has on behavior, communication, and social interaction. It's very important because the concept of space is very important in conveying nonverbal messages. People like to keep different spaces in interacting with different people, be interaction with friends, interaction with subordinates, interaction with superiors, and also interaction with strangers. So there are generally 4 zones of personal space. Intimate distance. This distance is generally kept with very close friend, right? At the close, this is a horizontal distance. At the close space distance, it is 6 inches. And when it becomes far, it is from 6 inches to 18 inches. So 2 people, while whispering, while embracing, while touching, can have these 2 ranges of space among them or between them. Then comes personal distance. Personal distance is the distance between or among people that starts from 1.5 feet to 2.5 feet when they are very close, and from 2.5 to 4 feet when they are far from each other. So people interacting can have this much space. When they come on to social distance, so when they are in some small groups or gathering, so they can start from the close horizontal distance can be from 4 feet to 7 feet, and a far horizontal distance can be from 7 to 12 feet. Then comes public distance, when people are interacting in public and communicating with each other. So here the distance can be, the close distance can be from 12 feet to 25 feet. And the far distance can be from 25 to more distance. So these are 4 zones of distance that must be taken care of. The result of violation of personal space. If this personal space is violated, it can really create a lot of problem. When we look at the vertical distance, the taller people do give a sense of dominion to the shorter ones, and the shorter ones feels a sort of subordination. Especially this feature, this vertical messages of space should be taken care of when a teacher is interacting with young kids, young children, because they look at their teacher who is tall and they feel subordinated. So the teacher must take care that this sense or this feeling must be eliminated. The teacher should come down to their level. So proxemics studies how people take up and defend personal space. So in this we studies that the violation of space can create problem and people defend their right of space. So it must be taken care of. When you are interacting with people, you must know that what is the right space and how you should keep this space, especially when we are interacting with the people across the cultures. This concept of territory or space is very important because there are countries in which people like to keep a certain distance. For example, the Americans like to have at least 18 inches difference when they are interacting professionally.